Algorand value sort of equivalent to $0.1829 a coin, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The present exchanged cost range $0.1801, $0.1964, which basically is very huge. The earlier day close $0.1888 in an unpretentious way. The change explicitly was 0.0059, 3.12%. Fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Converse rate, United States dollars to algo in an unpretentious way. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost $0.19 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.20, genuinely least 0.18. Algorand figure on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.18, especially greatest 0.19, in every way that really matters, least 0.17, which is very critical. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.17, extremely greatest 0.18, exceptionally least 0.16. Or so they by and large thought. Algorand gauge on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.17, truly greatest 0.18, least 0.16, which generally is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.17, especially greatest 0.18, truly least 0.16, which truly is genuinely huge. In multi-week Algorand estimate on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.17, essentially most extreme 0.18, kind of least 0.16, or so they thought. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.16, exceptionally most extreme 0.17, by and large least 0.15, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.16, lovely greatest 0.17, truly least 0.15, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.15, genuinely most extreme 0.16, fundamentally least 0.14, which basically is very huge. Algorand conjecture on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.15, by and large most extreme 0.16, genuinely least 0.14, which really is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.14, essentially greatest 0.15, kind of least 0.13. Algorand figure on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.14, genuinely most extreme 0.15, sort of least 0.13, further appearance how Algorand estimate on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.16, certainly greatest 0.17, genuinely least 0.15 in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.14 in every practical sense, greatest 0.15, truly least 0.13 in an especially enormous way. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.14, sort of greatest 0.15, especially least 0.13, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.13, essentially most extreme 0.14, least 0.12 in a genuinely large way. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, April 3, cost $0.13 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.14, sort of least 0.12, or so they all things considered thought. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, fundamentally least 0.12, which is very huge. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.13, most extreme 0.14, especially least 0.12. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.13, kind of most extreme 0.14, kind of least 0.12, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand estimate on Friday, April 7, cost $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, certainly least 0.12, exhibiting that today's exchanged cost range 0.1801-0.1964 in an extremely enormous way. In about a month, algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, really least 0.12, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.14, exceptionally greatest 0.15, especially least 0.13, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. United States dollars to algo swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 5.4675 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach 5.09165.5525, exhibiting how the change generally was 0.0059, 3.12%, which essentially is very huge. The past day's nearby 5.2966, or so they sort of thought. Change for now plus 0.1709, plus 3.23%, which by and large is genuinely critical. United States dollars to algo cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which basically shows that algorand figure on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.15, genuinely greatest 0.16, certainly least 0.14, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to algorand figure on Monday, walk 13, cost 5.263 coins, sort of greatest 5.556, most certainly least 5.000 in a genuinely enormous manner. United States dollars to algo expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 5.556 coins, most certainly greatest 5.882, genuinely least 5.263 in a by and large significant manner. Dollar to algorand gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 5.882 coins, especially most extreme 6.250, really least 5.556, which essentially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to algo forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 5.882 coins, kind of most extreme 6.250, especially least 5.556 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to algorand estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost 5.882 coins, especially most extreme 6.250, by and large least 5.556 in a very significant manner. In multi-week United States dollars to algo expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 5.882 coins, extremely greatest 6.250, sort of least 5.556, exhibiting that algorand gauge on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.14, beautiful most extreme 0.15, by and large least 0.13, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to algorand conjecture on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 6.250 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 6.667, kind of least 5.882 in a genuinely significant manner. United